Hi everyone, welcome back. This is my year-end sale part 3 and I'm continuing with Graphic 45 items which I have most. So let's start with these 12 by 12 paper pads. So these are the sets, 2-piece sets. First set is Garden Goddess and this is the pattern and solid paper pad, and this set is $30. All sets are $30 each. Next one is, and I have only one set of each, almost. Some of them I may have couple but not more than 3. So this one I have only one available, which is Imagine. It's very beautiful, very popular collection, $30 set. Then I have this another popular collection called Fairy Dust and Solid. They are 12 by 12, $30 set. Then I have this another very rare collection currently. It's rare, it's very hard to find out, and which is Love Notes. I have only one available. Then this is also, I have one available, which called Bloom. Very soft color, very beautiful. It's perfect for coming up spring. Very pretty. I love all these old collections designs, even though they came up with new ideas, new patterns, but old is always the best. Very authentic, very nice, like, you know what I mean. Look at these roses and all those things. So this one is available, only one set. I have these in, I think I have 2 of them, Princess, available. Super pretty. I am still working on my own album using this one. It's going to be beautiful, but it's taking time. But I'll finish it soon, and it's called Princess. Alright, so these were the sets I had, and now I'm going to show you what just a simple single paper pads I have available, and I'm just going to sell them $15 each. They are $25 each, but today's sale I'm just going to sell them $15 each. So I have this collection, Penny Paper Stall family, and I have only one collection available, and they have quite a bit papers, and they all are new collections, I mean new paper pads. Then I have this one, Mon Amour. I have 2 of them available. Then I have this Enchanted Forest, so pretty, very pretty collection. Then I have Fairy Dust, cute, and they all are, I think, coming up with the sticker books, all are them. Very cute. This is Fairy Dust, and I have this Lost in Paradise. So these are the single paper pads. So now I'm going to show you all the deluxe paper pads, and I'm giving you $10 discount on each of them. Oh my goodness, it's a steal deal. They are currently in the market $30 each. I mean their MSRP is $30, but I'm selling them $20 each. Just grab it, and I have very few items available, 1 or 2. Deluxe collector edition has sticker sheet and chipboard pieces. You can see on the back. Both sticker sheets, 2 sticker sheets, and 1 chipboard piece. If they have 2, some of them has 2. I'm not sure. It depends on what collection you are grabbing or getting. This is Magic of Oz. Very pretty collection. I have 2 available, I think. And then I have this very pretty. I have 2-3 available. So these are the one, and you can see these cavities here, but they are somewhere here. They are in this bag. They are not losing at all from these bags, because these bags never opened. Then I have this one, Little Darlings. Very pretty. Oh my goodness, I will just keep staring at this image for so long. It's so cute, so pretty. Anyways, so this one, super pretty. And then I have one of these. It's very popular collection, Raining Cats and Dogs. So pretty. You can see all these pieces here. And I have only 2 available in this. Then I have one available, this botanical tea. Just one. Wow, so pretty. I think I just kept it for myself. I'm not sure at all. I will go check in my storage. If I have one more, I'll keep it. But anyway, I'm showing you. I'm going to sell this last one. And then I have one of these available, only one, by the sea. So pretty images. Beautiful collections are these. They are $20 each. Then I have this one. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Means I made one of the album using this, like almonds. So pretty. So cute. They have images as per the months and all these stickers behind. So cute. I have, I think 3-4 available because I got more for my own album. So I have 3 available, I think. And then last but not the least, this is very popular collection, Tropical Travelodge. So cute. I have 2 of them available. Beautiful collection. So ladies, grab all these collections because this is like last chance to get all these really valuable items for this price. Then I'm going to show you 8 by 8. Whatever I left, I'm going to show you in 8 by 8. And 8 by 8 paper pads are in the market maybe $10+. But for this sale, I'm going to sell it $750 each. So I have Princess 8 by 8. I have this beautiful, I'm in love with this collection personally. This is very good collection, Portrait of a Lady. These colors, these images, oh so soft, look at this. Then I have 8 by 8, this sun-kissed, very pretty. I think I have one of each left, I think 1 or 2, I'm not sure, I'll double check, but please comment ASAP if you want to get them. Very pretty garden goddess. And then I have Imagine, very cute. Then this one, oh my goodness, I love this collection. It's Bloom, so pretty. And then I have this Enchanted Forest. Then I have Fairy Dust. And then I have this Penny Paper Doll Family. So how many I have? So let's see. 9 paper pads I have, and if you want whole 9, I can give it for, let me calculate. Let's see, I will try my best to give you a good price. So even better, I'm going to give you this whole 9-piece set for only $65. Ladies, just grab it. And please mention in the comment box if you want whole set. I will just give the preference for whole set, and if you want individually any items, still you can comment and I will get it for you if I have any available. So let's move on to sets of chipboard pieces. So let me check what I have here. First of all, I'll show you the sets which I am selling, because individually sell is like horrible. I cannot sell them individually. So these are the three-piece sets. So let's see. 3-piece sets means the same collection you will get 3 items. So one is of course chipboard, and then we have these tags and what's it called? These are die cuts and these are the tags and stickers. I think stickers. So these 3-piece sets I'm selling. So let me check the price. So 3-piece set is for $6. So each piece is like $5 each, I think, but grab it. I'm just selling them for $6 set. I have one in princess. So 3-piece just mentioned 3-piece princess set. So I have 1, 2 and 3 sets available. So 3-piece princess, 3 sets available. Then I have in this collection, which is Enchanted Forest, we have 2 types of chipboards and 1 type of this sticker set. So this is Enchanted Forest 3-piece set, $6. 1, 2, 3. I have 4 sets. Okay, girls. Then I have 1 set. I have 2 sets of Love Notes collections. So there are 1 chipboard and 2 sticker sheets. So Love Note collection 3-piece set. I have 2 sets available. $6. Then I have this one, which is Lost in Paradise 3-piece set, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 sets available. Oh, I mean 5 sets available. Great. I have them 5 sets, and I have last one, only one available in this Bloom collection. So Bloom, last one available. So these are 3-piece sets. So mention 3-piece and collection name, and it's $6. Now I am going to show you the 2-piece sets. Let's check. I have 2-piece sets and they are for $4. So 2-piece sets, I have $4 each, and I have first set, which is flowers, 1 and 2. I have 2 sets in flowers, $4 each. I have ocean blue, 1 and 2, $4 each. Then I have 2-piece set in this Floral Shoppy, 1, 2, 3 pieces. Then I have this one, Little Woman, 1 and 2 sets. Then I have this Fruit and Flora collection 2-piece set, 1 available, only 1 available. Then I have Flutter collection, 1 available. Then I have this very cute, very beautiful collection Kaleidoscope. I have 1 and 2 available. Then I have this beautiful collection, which is Garden Goddess, 1 and 2. Then I have this wonderful kit of 2 called Bloom collection. I have 1, 2 and 3, but they are stickers. There is no chipboard. 2 sticker sets available. So this one, and then I have this beautiful collection of Little Woman. I have 1, 2 and 3 available. And then the last collection, which is Christmas Magic. I have 1 and 2. So these 2-piece sets are $4 each. Grab them. And now I am going to show you random collections of 5-piece collection. So they are not matched with each other. They are from several collections. So I am going to show you 5 pieces. like you just say 5-piece collection because all these 5 pieces are same in this all sets. So I'm just going to show you one set, one, or maybe some of them are randoms. So we will get chipboard, one of the stickers, couple of the sticker sets, and chipboard and chipboard. So these 5 pieces, or you can say any 5 pieces, they are just different types of 5-piece collections. So I have almost, they are same collections, you can see. Some of them have little bit here and there different things. Okay, so I'm just showing what's in there, almost same things. Okay, so these 5-piece collections I am selling for $9. Okay, so I have only 5 collections, I mean 5 sets left. 5-piece set is $9, 3-piece set is $6, and 2-piece set is for $4. Okay, this is the last item I'm showing you from G45 company. That's all I have left, and these are all these journaling ephemeras, and I'm selling those for $3.50 each. So please mention the name Christmas Magic Collection. And the bags are little here and there ripped, not much, but because of the weather they are unopened for sure. But sometimes, you know, keeping in the storage, sometimes this thing happen, like bags are broken, but the product is good inside. Then I have this floral shoppy collection. Then I have this enchanted forest, and I have couple of them left. Some of them are one. This one I have one, I'm sure. And this is kaleidoscope collection. Then we have this bloom collection, and then we have this imagine collection, and I have this goddess garden collection. Then next one is Lost in Paradise, and this beautiful one. Look at this, the bags on these edge bags are little ripped, but they are unopened, trust me. So little woman collection, I have very few left. And then last but not the least is queen collection. So I have one queen collection. So all these are $3.50 each, which is not even wholesale price. Okay, including shipping, it's not wholesale price. So I'm giving away everything, like for me it's free almost. So grab them before they are available, and I'll see you in my next video, which I'm going to show you all the chipboard pieces. So stay tuned, and I will send you invoices, and I'm just going to mention again, I mentioned in the description box below, I am going to charge shipping plus PayPal fees. Please don't mind paying PayPal fees. These prices are so low, so I cannot afford paying PayPal fees on top of that. So sometimes, you know, because of the heaviness, sometimes in the post office my shipping goes higher, but since I promised, I have to pay and ship it to you. So these pieces are not at all featherweight, they are very heavy pieces, all these paper pads and all. So please make sure you are paying PayPal fees and shipping. PayPal fees will not show separately in your invoice, but I'll mention in the note. It will be included in your shipping cost. Okay, so thank you so much again, and I'll see you in the part 4, I think, which I hope which will be the last part. Thank you again. Bye for now.